don't think you can see how. Are you lining it up?
Yeah, I'm just showing you. If I had to use a ruler, that's what a ruler would look like. Can't really see it without that. Okay, this is how you fix it. Well, I don't know how to fix it, but this is how I assume you fix it. First step, you gotta climb inside the car, which is the hardest step out of the lot. And you get inside, yeah. And okay, do you wanna go see what it looks like on that side? You just guide me.
Oh my goodness, it's basically ours. Okay, stop kicking, stop kicking. I think you're gonna make it like bulge more this way. I suppose we can always push it a bit back in, hey?
Yeah.
A bit back in.
It's kind of no, it's fixed. It just needs to go in that corner, and then it's sorted. It's like it never even happened. Oh, it's gonna be hard to get that one.
I think you got it. No, it's a little bit, like try get it more in the corner itself.
Corner's a bit tricky.
Yeah, so it's just a corner.
Okay, let's see if we can get it from this side. Yeah, you definitely can. Okay, let me find something heavy. Screwdriver will do.